Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're going to stop the recording now. First, identify the active indicator so you know what's running. If you see a red or blue pill or a red status bar, that means screen recording or microphone access is active. Once located, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center on Face ID models, or swipe up from the bottom on older iPhones. Make sure you can authenticate with Face ID or passcode in case the device locks while you change settings. Now stop the capture. In Control Center, tap the red screen recording button. The recording stops immediately and a confirmation appears. Alternatively, tap the red or blue pill in the status area and choose Stop to End Recording without opening Control Center. If you want to prevent future audio recording, go to Settings, right arrow Privacy, right arrow Microphone, and revoke access for apps you don't trust. That prevents apps from triggering the recording indicator. To finish, remove Quick Access Control if you never use it. Settings, right arrow Control Center, right arrow Remove Screen Recording, so you won't accidentally enable it. If the recording banner or pill persists after you stopped recording, restart the iPhone to clear stuck UI elements. That resolves most glitches. If it returns, make sure no app has active microphone permission or background audio recording. Writes in Settings, right arrow Privacy, right arrow Microphone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.